Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewers, watchers, and you wondering how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that button and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Mr. Belle been off the air for a little while, been having a lot of things going on at the house. A couple of my kids been graduating, some of them getting ready to go to college and everything, but Mr. Belle is back right now. Today I'll be doing something different in the Power Eggshell, just for a little knick-knack and everything. Mr. Belle had went up to Sam's Club and seen these beef patties right here. I'm saying, oh, I'm gonna make some miniature hamburgers with these nice medium patties right here. They beef patties, they come in the pack and everything. And these are delicious. I made some before, and I said I'm gonna do some in the Power Eggshell. So I'm gonna get started on these mini burgers right here. The beef burgers, the burgers is nice and healthy. As you see, they're nice and fat already. They can made already. So I'm gonna grill it in the Power Eggshell today and see how it come out. Today my ingredients is I'm just gonna be using 7 of these mini burgers right here, and the seasoning gonna be like this Montreal steak season. I'm gonna use a little garlic salt, seasoned salt, black pepper, and salt. I'm just gonna be eyeballing on there. I'm not gonna do a measurement today. Sometimes you just wanna do the little eyeball on that, so I'm gonna do it like that. In the meantime, before I start seasoning everything, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this Power XL on grill, and I'm gonna set the temperature for 375. It's set, and I'm gonna just start the minutes right here. I'm gonna just start the minutes for like for 40 minutes. I'm not gonna use all the minutes and everything. Remember, you can always add time, but you can't take it away. And I'm gonna press start right here. As you know, it's preheating everything, and I'm just gonna raise this up for a minute to show you and everything. My Power Eggshell is nice and clean all around. The grill plate is nice and clean. Everything is just wonderful. So I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna just let it preheat, and I'm gonna just start seasoning this up real good and everything while that get preheat. And I'm just gonna put a little of this seasoning on it, just like this. Like I say, this right here, this stuff right here, it makes the burger taste nice and good. No matter what you put on it, you still can taste that Montreal steak seasoning. So, and I'm gonna put that on there. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little of this garlic salt on it and everything. Oh no. Just put a little on like that. I don't want to take that top off. Just put a little, shake it on there just like that. Get it nice and tasty. Because you know, it may look like it's a lot of seasoning, it's not a lot of seasoning, because when you bite into that burger, you want to taste the seasoning inside the meat and everything. Sometimes it look like that on the outside, but you want to get in the inside of it. So when you chew it, you want to taste everything. The seasoning, the meat, the bread, and everything. And I'm just going to put a pinch of salt on it, just like that. Just put it on like that. And that is, while that's preheating, I'm going to flip this over. In the meantime, I'll be right back. As you see, it's beeping and saying add food. So Mr. Belle gonna add food right quick in it. I'm gonna put these burgers in, one by one. Just lay them in there just like that. And Mr. Belle be moving that camera in a minute so you can see how they cooking and everything. So, and I'm just gonna lay them in just like that and let these cook nice and good. Oh, boy, I kind of messed up a little. And I'm gonna put it down, and I'm gonna press start again. It's gonna clear. and it's ready to go. So I'm gonna do that. We're gonna see how the burgers come out. I'll be right back. Okay, when I say mini burgers, this is mini burgers. Sometimes your kid don't want to eat a whole hamburger. Sometimes they might just want meat and cheese. Some of them say forget the lettuce, forget the tomatoes. I just want meat and cheese, but I'm gonna give you an idea. This is the one I'm gonna be simple. I like onions and everything. I have my onions cut on there nice and good. A little sandwich bread, a little mustard, and I'm gonna flip that cheese on like that. Also, Sam Club sell these little hamburger things. We brought some of these the other day and was eating the bread. It's sweet bread and everything. We love it. So we looked at the patties and everything. We was making the little bitty hamburgers. Because all my kids don't eat real big hamburgers. They like little hamburgers. They get full quick. So when they eat the little ones, they might eat 2 of them. So this is how they look, the bread and everything. So ready cut, come in the pack. And this is delicious, just the bread with coffee. You get up in the morning, or you want to fry some eggs and put on it and everything, drink it with your coffee. It's delicious, but I'm just showing how nice and neat they look and everything. You know how Mr. Belle do it. I like to show everything I'm doing. I like to take you step by step. So I'm gonna get back to these burgers and I'll be right back. Okay, what are we gonna do right now? It's like 24 minutes, that's 30, that's 16 minutes. We're gonna raise this top up and see what these little mini burgers looking like and everything. As you see, they cooking nice and good and everything. Oh yes, 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 coming out nice and good. I'm gonna let it cook a couple more minutes before I take it out and everything. As you see, they cooking real nice. I'm gonna put the top down. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna raise this top up. Like I say, it's been 19 minutes. I'm gonna raise it up. They look like they done and everything. So I'm gonna take them out and everything. They looking nice and good. So I'm gonna take these out and they looking nice. Nice and round, looking delicious and everything. So, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just let this cheese melt a little bit. I'm gonna throw a little cheese on one of them and put the top down, just let it heat for a minute and see how that come out for the burger. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna raise this top up and I'm gonna press cancel. It's only been 20 minutes and I'm gonna take this out. As you see, this cheese is melted right on it. And I'm gonna sit it right on there, like that. And I'm gonna put this to the side so I can move my camera back a little bit so you can see it. Okay, this right here this is gonna be your mini burgers right here. Like I say, you can add your lettuce, tomatoes, whatever you want on it. You can fix it how you want it, but Mr. Belle, on this one right here, I just have some onions and some cheese and the bread, sandwich bread, and a little mustard. I'm gonna take a bite of it to see how it is. Mm. Mm. That is delicious. This is the perfect thing for your kids or adults, like a mini burger and everything. And this is how it's gonna look. You can add whatever you want to with it. We're gonna have some chips and everything with it, and it's gonna be delicious. And as Cooking with the Bells, we did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it.